We begin with the overall appearance of this exquisitely carved coral Buddha, held delicately on my tweezers as I guide it under the microscope. For the first 20 seconds you see its refined, beautifully worked form in full detail. Then, as the magnification increases, the magic begins. The secret wavy fibrous structure emerges, a signature pattern found only in genuine calcareous coral. Plastic imitations lack this organic fibrous texture entirely, revealing their artificial nature under the lens. Enjoy this incredible close-up, the hidden love and passion of gemology, revealed only under the microscope in this fascinating area of organic gems. Calcareous coral, which is composed of calcium carbonate, can be white, pink, orange, and orange-red, and with every kind of tone. Coral is one of the rare organic gemstones, unlike the vast majority of gems that form deep in the earth from inorganic minerals. This one comes from something that was once alive, built by tiny marine polyps over years in vibrant ocean reefs. Protecting these living ecosystems is vital, because without healthy coral reefs, we lose not only breathtaking natural beauty, but entire underwater worlds. We then take an incredible close-up inside the pierced hole, drilled straight through from the Buddha's head to its base, slowly increasing the magnification from 10 to 20x, then 50 times, and finally 100 times. At 100 times, even the slightest movement I make becomes massive on the frame, so I have to stay very, very steady. Around the hole you can see a distinct white circle, slightly lighter in tone than the surrounding pink coral, the clear mark left by the jewelry setting that once held this Buddha in place. This piercing wasn't done for gemological purposes, but we can take advantage of this hole because we can explore the internal structure and use our gemology microscope to find a new world inside the world of corals. Now we got the evidence that magnification reveals distinctive parallel fibrous structures, often with eye-visible holes marking the places the coral polyps once occupied. At the end of this gemology journey, I pull back to the full view before zooming in one last time for an intimate close-up of the face of the eyes, nose, and mouth, where those same delicate wavy fibers still whisper the coral's living origin. The chubby cheeks, serene half-closed eyes, gentle smile, and highly detailed features that radiate timeless peace and wisdom. This is the kind of hidden detail that makes you fall in love with real gemstones all over again, a tiny priceless treasure that feels almost sacred under the lens. If you enjoyed this microscopic journey into the coral Buddha's hidden world, hit like and subscribe, because gemology is the perfect mix of science and magic. Next time we'll explore even deeper, and who knows, maybe this little Buddha will bless your feed with good vibes and better gems.